Hello students, your today's topic is hydroboration oxidation, oxymercuration reduction, some general methods of preparation of phenol and manufacture of phenol, that is industrial preparation of phenol. Hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration reduction are two important methods by which alcohols are prepared from alkene by indirect hydration. Means alcohol can also be prepared from alkene by indirect hydration through hydroboration oxidation process and oxymercuration reduction process. Hydroboration oxidation process includes two steps. In the first step, trialkyl borane. This is trialkyl borane. What is this? Trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane is obtained from alkene. This is, for example, alkene is propene. See, propene is converted into trialkyl borane. This is one step, and this conversion is carried out in tetrahydrofuran, THF. This is tetrahydrofuran by diborane, B2H6. That's why this step is called hydroboration. Its first step is hydroboration of alkene, and the second step is oxidation. Means trialkyl borane is oxidized by alkaline hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide and OH, alkali medium. Means second step of this process is oxidation of trialkyl borane by alkaline hydrogen peroxide gives corresponding alcohol. Detailed mechanism of this reaction can be written as first of all, diborane is electron deficient compound. B2H6 is an electron deficient compound which forms BH3 in THF, tetrahydrofuran. The role of tetrahydrofuran is that. What is the role of tetrahydrofuran? Tetrahydrofuran is written as, this is called tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran forms coordinate bond with BH3, which is electron deficient, and it forms coordinate bond with it. Hence, prevents the dimerization of BH3 into diborane. This is the main role of THF in hydroboration process. As soon as BH3 formed from B2H6, it may dimerize to form again B2H6, but tetrahydrofuran prevents its dimerization. This is the role of THF in hydroboration process. Now the hydroboration process takes place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. It is not taking place by Markovnikov rule. Addition of BH3 with alkene takes place by anti-Markovnikov rule. This is propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 and it is nucleophile. All alkenes are nucleophile because of presence of pi electron in it. And BH3 BH3 formed from B2S6 forms a complex CH3 CH CH2 BH H. This complex is formed with alkene and this carbon of alkene attracts one of the hydrogen of BH3 and forms a cyclic transition state CH3 CH CH2 BH H. This is a cyclic transition state. Transition state is formed. After that, this transition state change to CH3 CH2 CH2 BH2. This product is formed according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Now, the addition of second molecule of alkene, because in the first step 3 molecules of alkene was taken. Now the second molecule of alkene adds with this alkyl borane. This is alkyl borane, and after that, by the same process, dialkyl borane is formed. CH3 CH2 CH2 twice BH. Dialkyl borane is formed by the same process. When third molecule of alkene is added to it, trialkyl borane is formed. CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice B. This is trialkyl borane by the same process. Means first step is the formation of a complex, then transition state, after that alkyl borane. Just like alkyl borane, dialkyl borane is formed and trialkyl borane is formed. This is called hydroboration process of alkene. And oxidation, this trialkyl borane as given in the reaction, trialkyl borane on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium gives corresponding alcohol and H3BO3. That's all about hydroboration oxidation. Now, the next method of indirect hydration of alkene is oxymercuration reduction. Just like hydroboration oxidation, it also includes 2 different steps. Its first step is oxymercuration. Means when propene or other alkene, propene is treated with mercuric acetate. What is this? Mercuric acetate. Because this process is oxymercuration. This mercuric acetate attacks on alkene and forms a cyclic cation. Since in this type of cation, positive charge present on mercury, it is not present on carbon. That's why it is not called a carbocation. It is called non-classical carbocation because of the presence of positive charge on other than carbon atom. It is non-classical carbocation. Now, there is two possibility of formation of carbocation from this cyclic species. Either this bond is broken or this bond is broken. When this bond is broken, secondary carbocation will be formed because if the CH3, CH, CH2, Hg, double O, C, CH3. If this bond is broken, then positive charge develops on this carbon and we get secondary carbocation which is more stable than primary carbocation. If we get primary carbocation like this Hg, double OC, CH3, this is primary carbocation. Since secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation, that's why secondary carbocation is preferred in this reaction. Now, the addition of water takes place. Means water attack on this carbocation as a nucleophile and forms oxonium ion because positives are present on oxygen. First of all, mercury complex is formed, then a carbocation is formed, and after that addition of water takes place. As a result, oxonium ion is formed. This oxonium ion attacked by acetate ion. This acetate ion attacks on this oxonium ion and alcohol substituted with mercuric acetate is formed and acetic acid is liberated here. Means loss of acetic acid takes place by the attack of acetate ion on oxonium ion and alcohol with mercury compound is formed. This compound on reduction with sodium borohydride gives isopropyl alcohol, which is secondary alcohol. Okay, this is isopropyl alcohol, which is called secondary alcohol. This is total mechanism of oxymercuration reduction. Oxymercuration means addition of mercuric acetate with unsymmetrical alkene in tetrahydrofuran and indirect addition of water takes place. Finally, the product obtained gets reduced by sodium borohydride and isopropyl alcohol is formed as a major product. This is the process of oxymercuration reduction. Now the next topic is general methods of preparation of phenol. Phenol can be prepared by different general methods. One of the methods is phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Since benzene sulfonic acid is obtained from benzene by sulfonation, when benzene is sulfonated, means CH2SO4, fuming H2SO4, fuming H2SO4 reacts with benzene, gives benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid again treated with NaOH gives sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. And loss of H2O takes place. This on hydrolysis dilute mineral acid or like HCl or H2SO4 dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 gives phenol. Benzene sulfonic acid, sodium salt, yes, OL, sodium phenoxide is obtained from benzene sulfonic acid. Sodium phenoxide, this sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis gives phenol. This is phenol. First of all, benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid, which on treatment with NaOH gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis with mineral acid gives phenol. Next method of general preparation of phenol is phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. Phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is diazonium salt, and benzene diazonium chloride is obtained from aniline. When aniline is NH2, aniline plus NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius gives benzene diazonium chloride. 1,2Cl, you can write N2Cl, positive negative. Benzene diazonium chloride. This is called benzene diazonium chloride. And this reaction is known as diazotization. When benzene diazonium chloride is warm with water, or steam is passed over benzene diazonium chloride, phenol is obtained. Phenol is obtained by the loss of N2 and HCl. By the loss of N2 and HCl. This is next method, second method of general preparation of phenol. Third one, phenol from phenolic acids. Phenolic acids means like salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a phenolic acid. OH, C double OH. This is salicylic acid. This is an example of phenolic acid. When salicylic acid is treated with NaOH, sodium salicylate is obtained, COOL. Sodium salicylate is obtained. Which on decarboxylation? Decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? When a sodium salt of carboxylic acid heated with soda lime, means NaOH plus CaO and heat. When this salt, this is what? Sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate. Salicylate. Sodium salicylate on decarboxylation gives phenol. CO2 means loss of CO2 takes place, minus CO2 and phenol is obtained. This reaction may also be written as there are two different methods by which decarboxylation can be expressed. First one is this, and second and most common method is like this: COONA plus NaOH CO heat. Loss of sodium carbonate takes place, Na2CO3. This is the best method for expressing decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation of sodium salicylate takes place by heating it with soda lime. Now the next method of preparation of phenol is phenol from Grignard reagent. With the help of Grignard reagent, phenol can be prepared like this. When halobenzene is treated with magnesium in a dry ether, Grignard reagent is obtained. Alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. This is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. When oxygen gas is passed through it, half O2, then its OMgX, alkyl oxymagnesium halide is obtained. Alkyl oxymagnesium halide is obtained, which is a type of ether, just like ether. Okay, aryl oxymagnesium halide is obtained, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. Phenol and MgOHX. These are the general methods of preparation of phenol. Phenol can be prepared from Grignard reagent, from phenolic salts, phenolic acids, from diazonium salt, from benzene sulfonic acid, and from chlorobenzene or halobenzene. Preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene and from cumene is used in its manufacture, means industrial preparation, large scale preparation. Means phenol is manufactured either by Dow process or by cumene. Dow process is already discussed in aryl halides. This is Dow process, means preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene is known as Dow process. When chlorobenzene is treated with 10% aqueous solution of NaOH at high temperature and pressure, 573 to 623 Kelvin temperature and 200 atmospheric pressure, then chlorine atom gets substituted by ONA, means sodium phenoxide is obtained. This special condition is required due to the inertness of chlorine. This chlorine is tightly held with benzene ring. That's why special condition applied in this reaction. Sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis gives phenol. This is called Dow process. And the mechanism of this reaction is known as Benzene mechanism, means formation of phenol from chlorobenzene takes place through which mechanism? Benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. This mechanism will be discussed in next video in detail. Now, the most important method of preparation of phenol, or you can say manufacture of phenol, is carried out by Cumming, and it is known as Cumming process. What is Cumming? Cumming is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is known as Cumming, and this can be prepared from benzene by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Means when benzene is treated with propene in presence of phosphoric acid, Cumming is obtained. This is Cumming, also known as isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. Structure is also written here. This is Cumming or isopropyl benzene. This Cumming on air oxidation. Air oxidation is written here, means air oxidation, or you can say aerial oxidation, gives hydroperoxide of Cumming. Cumming hydroperoxide. Cumming hydroperoxide. Structure can be written like this, or both are same. Cumming hydroperoxide. This is called Cumming hydroperoxide. Cumming hydroperoxide. Because of the presence of peroxide bond, this is peroxide bond. Peroxide bond. Because of the presence of peroxide bond, it is called Cumming hydroperoxide. And hydrogen is also type. Cumming hydroperoxide. When this Cumming hydroperoxide is hydrolyzed with HCl or H2SO4, either dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, we get phenol plus very important compound, that is acetone, is obtained as a byproduct. Acetone. Both the products means major product and minor product both are very important compound. That's why this method is known as most important industrial preparation of phenol. This is all about preparation of phenol and its manufacture. That's all. Thank you.